Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to talk about how can you enable schedule refresh in Power BI service. So if you have built a Power BI dashboard or report in Power BI desktop and you want to publish and you want to enable it to schedule refresh at a specific time of a day, so you don't have to manually go ahead and refresh. How can you do that? So I'm going to teach you right now. So let's stay here with me. So I have a sample report here on my Power BI desktop, and once I'm going to click on publish, and any changes you want to save the changes here, and it's asking me available workspaces in my Power BI service, and I want to choose advanced works sales workspace. Select that, and since the report is already exist, it is asking me, do you want to replace this data set? And I would say yes, replace. That's fine. Give it a few seconds. All right, once you get this success message, I can click on this and it will take me right there to my Power BI service. Okay, so the report is there, it's open. So if I go to my workspaces on the left, go to my available workspaces, and I'll click on this advanced work sales. And once I click there, I would see the semantic model as well as the report, semantic model as well as the report. So the name of my report is, store proc with parameter. So as you can see, the next refresh is not turned on because it's not even scheduled. We just published, and it was published previously, but it's not scheduled. And if you click on this schedule refresh, and it'll take you to this preview, and you'll see right here gateway and cloud connection. You'll need to expand it there, and it'll show you the available gateway that you have. And in my case, I have this Power BI gateway that's been installed in my machine, and this is being selected. If it is not selected in your case, what you have to do is go, go down and then go ahead, and this will pop up, and you need to just click to that one, and you'll see a little green check. That means the configuration is a success. Okay, it's to the gateway. So that is in my case, this is configuration is already selected, which I'm good. And then you're going to expand to data source credential. There's nothing at this point I need to do since this is already configured, by the way. And I'm going to click on this expand the refresh here, and as you can see, this data refresh configure a refresh schedule has been turned off, and just go ahead and turn that on, switch that toggle, and it is going to come up with refresh frequency. How do you want to turn this on? Do you want to run this report or refresh this daily or weekly? If you do it weekly, you'll see all these days pops up, and you can uncheck whichever days you don't want to turn that on, and go ahead and add time. However, in my case, I'm going to turn on daily. And once you do that, you're going to add a time here, what specific time you want. So go ahead and click on this one. So let's say I want to turn this on every day 7 in the morning. Okay, so when the report users they log in 8 in the morning, the report is already refreshed, ready for them for the updated data, right? So once you do that, go ahead and click on apply. And before that, it's, as you can see, this is already default checked. What it is saying is anytime there is an issue with refresh, you want to send that notification to the semantic model owner. So whoever owns this report is going to they will get a notification. Or if you want to add to some more people, you can uh, check this box, and then you can enter their email here, abc at gmail.com, or company email, whatever their email address you want to send the notification. So this is for notification purpose. So I would leave as the default right now, and then go ahead and click on apply. and you can see this has been updated pop-up message here. So if I go back to my advanced workspace here again and take a look, so this is the report I just enabled, and as you can see, the next refresh has been turned on, and it's going to be 2 a.m., which is a GMT time is different than the local time. So that's something you'll have to change to correctly reflect that time. However, this is already scheduled, and if you want to double check to make sure this schedule is running, there's a little refresh now icon, this curly circle arrow. Click on this one. It will give it a few seconds. See, it's spinning right now, which means it's running, and depending on how large your data set is, and then it might take a few seconds or maybe almost a minute. And in my case, this has been refreshed, and if I expand this, you can see the local time, date and time. This has been refreshed, which is 9:58 p.m. of my local time. So this report is the semantic model has been refreshed, and this is how you turn on the semantic model refresh. So the report, when the user access the report, it will be already refresh at this scheduled time, and this is how you turn on the schedule refresh. So hopefully this video helps. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.